Hi everybody, this is Cobbs. We're going to do a short video today just how to navigate around on a YouTube page and just show you how to find the video you're looking for on their page faster, so it doesn't like you have to look through 100 videos to find it. So this should work on a lot of pages. Some people do not have it set up on their page so they can do this, but a lot of people do. So let's get at it and I'll show you how to do that, okay? Alright, let's get started on this video. Alright, so this is one of my videos right here. And so you watch somebody's video and you want to see the rest of the videos they have on their station and stuff. Just scroll up a little bit. Right down here, it tells you the name of the station and everything. Copy Badger Adventures. Okay, so what you do is click on the name. And this video is intended more for the first time YouTuber, the people that don't really know how to navigate around YouTube. Anyhow, once you get to this page, this is the main page, okay? Main page, and then I got all the videos listed down here, right here. And then you can see play all. You can also go back up here at the top here, see play all again, and you can click on, say, videos, click on videos, and it shows you all the videos that I've made. And you can go through and pick them out that way too. But there's an easier way if somebody has set it up on their page. Some people don't set it up, but I've got it set up on my page. So what you do is come back here and look on this list to the left. Go down here where it says see more. Click on see more. And then you're going to find files. These are pretty much files with the videos in them. So whatever your favorite video or the one you're looking for to look at, you can go along here, say plant a tree. Click on that. And then there's all the landscaping videos and how to take care of plants and stuff that I have made. Okay? And you can watch all those. Looks like there's a few extra too. Come up on underneath of it, but that's the main ones right there. And then if you go down here to, like, say UFOs, you like UFOs, boom, you'll get all 20 UFO videos that I have. And if you want to look at all the UFO videos, you just click on the first one they'll end, and it'll go to the second one, and so on until it plays every one on the whole list. And let's say if you're into Bigfoot, you hit Bigfoot, and then there's the Bigfoot videos. And you can repeat the same thing. If you want to see all the videos on Bigfoot, you click on the first one and then it'll play them all, one right after another one. Okay, and then the review videos, I got reviews. I only have like 3 of those right now, but I'm planning on doing a lot more of those. And spin on cooking with Cobby. There's all the ones the way I cook, okay? I'm not saying I'm a chef or anything, just the way I cook. Anyhow, you hit this one right, like, let's just test this out. You hit this one right here, and there it starts playing it, okay? So we're going to stop it, and we're just going to run it to the end real fast. Say we get all the way to the end of the video, and we'll start it back up toward the end here. Yeah, about right. It's almost over there. So we'll start it right there. Let it play again. Well, if it ever plays again. Internet's kind of slow today. Raining outside. I don't know. There it goes. Boy, these things are great. You gotta try these. And you gotta try the sauce. You really gotta try the sauce. Because that's what makes them great, okay? The sauce really makes them great. So when it gets toward the end here. Every once in a while. I'm trying to ignore it. But I can hardly wait to dig in. So make sure you try out my recipe for the special sauce and the miniature pizzas. Man, they're good. Very end of the video. Keep watching my station and subscribe. I'll speed it up a little bit more. I've heard myself enough times. There, that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, just before the end of the video. God bless and see you next time. Okay, so you see these on the end of the videos, and you can click on any of these and see any of the other cooking ones. But if you let it go till the end, you see this list over here. We're watching the very first one right now. and it goes to the end, it's going to switch to this one next. And you'll get them right in order, and you'll be able to watch every one of the cooking videos, and you don't have to do nothing. It'll just one after another, one after another. And that's pretty much how you navigate on a YouTube page. If someone has it set up, you can do that, and you can hit more and go through and just pick out the files and watch. Let me shut that off again. Keeps coming back on. And you can watch any video you like and pick them in a file on my page. And a lot of other people's got their pages set up the same way. Anyhow, I thought I'd share that with people, especially for people that don't know how to navigate around on YouTube. This should help you navigate on somebody's station if you're looking for some certain type of video that the person has made. Hopefully they made the file on the side, and you can just navigate around and find the file instead of have to watch all their videos to find it, or search through all their videos to find it. And if you haven't did that, well, you should do that with your station so other people can find your videos faster. And anyhow, that's about it. I hope this video helps you out and stuff. Until next time. Hey, thanks for watching Cobby Badger Adventures. If you like the video, make sure you like and leave a comment if you like, and check out some of my other videos and stuff. Just subscribe, and if you want to get notified every time I do a video, hit the bell down there. And thanks for watching again. This is Cobby out. God bless. Till next time. Catch you guys later.